The 8 most common logo design mistakes most businesses make. In this video we take a look at the 8 most common logo design mistakes most businesses make. Hi, I'm Akash Shah, creator and owner of Designer Cave. My aim is to help you become the best that you can be with comprehensive graphic design tutorial across a Vogue creative suite as well as speed art videos and much more. Let's face it, if your logo sucks, you will have a hard time to draw patrons to your trade even your product services are of optimum quality. Before you go ahead, it would be better for you to know logo design mistakes most businesses do. With this, you will be able to have an excellent logo. Here are the most common logo design mistakes. First mistake, or we can say crime, copying or stealing someone's logo. On request of corporates, designers do design work in a hurry. To complete the task, they copy or steal the previously designed logos. You know you must save yourself from copyright or trademark infringement to run your business smoothly. Design mistake number 2, making the logo too complex. In the excitement of having so many ideas, your design work gets complicated. As the logo represents several strongest approaches you offered to your logo, you should avoid doing this. Keep the logo design clear, simple, unique, and meaningful. With this, you will be successful in creating a brand for your business. Design mistake number 3, poor choice of colors. Most of the designers make mistakes in choosing the color. Sure, a logo should be vibrant and colorful, as it draws the attention of customers by making a catchy brand image. However, you should keep in mind that every color does not go easily with one another. Design mistake number 4, selecting a too trendy logo. You wish that your designed logo should be a modern and fresh one. For this, you choose a too trendy design for your logo. Your logo should be timeless, but not a flash in the pan. Keep in mind that font trends come and go. Design mistake number 5, inflexible logo designs. You need your company logo for various purposes. Getting your company logo designed in one format will be a blunder. You should design the logo that can fit in any format. Moving on to mistake number 6, too many fonts. Using more than one font in the work of logo design. Here you are wrong. Every typeface is distinct, and people take time to recognize it. The usage of too many fonts can cause confusion to your clients or patrons. Logo design mistake number 7, irrelevant inclusions. There are certain things that should not be included in a logo. For instance, you should avoid inserting company, LLC, incorporated, private, etc. in your company logo. You can use symbols like for trademark and for copyright. The usage of such symbols is fine. You should avoid putting irrelevant things. Okay, move out to mistake number 8, use of stock images or clipart. With this, your logo can lack meaning and reflect bad impact. Without the use of resellable templates, your logo should have custom designs to leave a long-lasting effect. Leave your comment down below if you had making this mistakes while designing logo or any logo design mistake that not in the list. A logo is the face of your business. With excellent logo design, people can easily recognize your company. Therefore, you should never make any mistake while designing your logo design. If you are looking for a professional, hire us on Fiverr, link in description. Or visit my portfolio to see full logo design presentation of my previous work. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any awesome videos on graphic design.